The next part of the chapter is on recalculating IV rates. So sometimes when the patient moves, it can affect the IV, and when this happens, the IV machine must be recalibrated so that the patient receives the medicine on schedule. If the patient has received too much fluid, then the machine must be slowed down. And if the patient has received too little fluid, the machine must be sped up. And each situation must be evaluated individually to see if the patient can handle these changed rates. Number 7 says an IV of 1 liter is ordered to infuse over 10 hours using a 15 GTT per ml set. After 6 hours, 650 mLs have infused, and they want us to find the original rate and then also find the new rate to complete the IV on schedule. So let's look at the original rate. 1 liter is 1,000 mLs. 10 hours is 600 minutes. So using my formula, it's going to be 1,000 times 15 divided by 600. And we get 25. So that is the original rate. Then it says after 6 hours, 650 mLs have infused. And they want us to find the new rate to complete the IV on schedule. So we check in after 6 hours and something has happened and it's no longer working at this rate of 25 GTT per minute. And we need to recalibrate it to compensate for the change that's occurred. So I'm still working with the formula, and I'm still using the same type of tubing. So the 15 is going to stay the same. But in the other spots, I need to put how much is left in the bag. So how much medicine is left. And I need to put how much time is left. So it's always how much is left. Okay, so we need to be really careful how they phrase it. It says 650 mLs have infused. So that means that the patient has already received 650 mLs. So to figure out how much is left, I need to subtract that from the original 1,000. And we get 350 mLs. Now time, it says that after 6 hours. So 6 hours have passed. And the total time was 10 hours. So 10 minus 6 is 4 hours. So there's 4 hours left. And in minutes, that is 240. So there's 240 minutes left. So 350 times 15 divided by 240, and rounded to the nearest whole number, this is 22. So if we set it to 22 GTT per minute, then it will complete the IV on schedule.